Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video. Chapter 7. My Home. All birds, animals, and insects need a home. A home makes everyone feel secure and comfortable. Look at the pictures given below. A bird's nest, a spider's web, honeybee's honeycomb, ants' anthills, a rabbit's burrow. Even we human beings need a home for shelter and comfort. 1. Our home keeps us warm in winter. 2. Our home keeps us cool during summer. 3. Our home protects us from the rain. And 4. Our home protects us from harmful wild animals. A home binds us all together because 1. It helps us to talk freely to one another, cook and dine together. 2. It is a place for relaxation, rest and sleep after a hard day's work. 3. We live in peace and comfort in our homes. A home is a place where we arrange furniture and other articles like television, radio, telephone that belong to us for our comfort. We build different kinds of houses. 1. A tent. A tent is a temporary shelter made of thick cloth, supported by poles and ropes. Tents are used for temporary living, especially during camps. Huts. Huts are made of mud, grass, and bamboo. The walls of the huts are made of mud and the roof is thatched with grass. A chawl. A chawl is a building having a number of tenements on each floor. Each tenement has one room and a bathroom which is occupied by one family. There is a common toilet outside. The rent is very less, and people living here are mostly from the lower middle class. Building. A building is an airy house of 4 or 5 floors high. Each floor has about 2 to 3 flats. A skyscraper. A skyscraper is a very tall building having about 20 or more floors. Here, lifts carry people up and down. These buildings are used for residential purposes as well as for offices. A bungalow. A bungalow is an independent house in which only one family lives. Tents are temporary shelters, while huts are small and temporary houses. Chawls, buildings Skyscrapers and bungalows are big and permanent houses. Besides, some people live in houseboats on water, while some people live in snow houses called the igloos, built from blocks of hard snow. Look at the pictures given below. A houseboat, a snow house, that is, an igloo. Some of us stay in big houses, while some stay in small houses. Whether the house is big or small, we utilize the space according to our needs. Look at the picture showing different parts of a house. Drawing room, bathroom, kitchen, bedroom. Parts of a small house. We have a drawing room, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, and a toilet in our house. Whether the house is big or small, it should have sufficient windows and doors for ventilation. That means the house should be airy and well lit. The house should have a drainage system to drain out the dirty water. Arrangements should be made to have a plinth at the base of the house so that it does not catch dampness. How to take care of a house? The house gives us shelter. We are safe in our homes. So we should take care for the house we live in. The house should be dusted daily. The rooms should be swept and the dirt should be collected in the bin. If the floor is of mud, it should be plastered with cow dung. If the flooring is of tiles, then it should be mopped daily. The toilets and the bathroom should be kept clean daily. Once in a week, the cobwebs and the dirt collected in the corners should be cleaned. The repairs of the house should be done from time to time. If some wall has holes or cracks, they should be filled immediately with cement. The house should be kept clean, neat, and tidy. Every 4 to 5 years, the house should be painted. To keep the house clean is the responsibility of each and every member of the family. Any work in the house should not fall short. To remove the dirt, to wipe the slab, to fold the washed clothes, to wash utensils, to keep all the things like books, toys, shoes, bags, etc. in their rightful places. You must help your parents in carrying out all this work. Do you do that? Good. In this way, all of you can keep your home neat and clean and in proper order. If all the homes are neat and clean, so will be the environment. This means total environment will be neat, clean, and beautiful.